Rudolph Boulos runs Haiti's biggest pharmaceutical company, Farbol. He used the sweet-tasting glycerin syrup to make children's medicine more palatable.
It's completely acceptable for the human body.
But what Mr. Boulos didn't know was that the barrels he thought contained glycerin really contained massive amounts of a poison, diethylene glycol, which looks and tastes like glycerin. Mary Pendergast is a deputy commissioner of the U.S. Food and Drug Administration.
Diethylene glycol is an industrial solvent. You probably think of it in terms of antifreeze for your car.
And diethylene glycol is a killer.
That's right. It's a killer.
Unaware of its true content, Boulos began to mix the antifreeze ingredient into thousands of bottles of children's fever medication. And then they were sold to families in Port-au-Prince and out in the Haitian countryside. By early 1996, the first children had begun to die of kidney failure at General Hospital in